You are right in your Adobe Photoshop screen. If you are new, it might be looking something different, as you can see mine here. You can easily make a new document by going to File, New and create one with your choice of dimension. Make your resolution 72 if it is for digital purpose and 300 if it is for print. Also select RGB for digital and CMYK for printing purposes. When your file is open as this, as you can see here, you can easily zoom in and zoom out with Ctrl+ and Ctrl-, or hit Ctrl-0 to fit in the whole canvas on a screen. On your left, you will be having a toolbar like this, and on right you will see panels. For our case, we need colors, layers, these panels in most cases, and also we need brush tool. And for adding its settings, we need a brush panel. For this, simply go to Windows menu here and click on brushes. And we will be having our required panels, one of the selecting brushes types and one for the settings. We will be using simple, general, by default brushes in our painting and sketching one by one. These are some extra settings, but for this time we don't need these now. Let's choose one of the brushes here and see how its setting interact. For this simple case, let's increase and decrease its size. See how it's changing its shape and size. You can also use the left side bracket, rectangle bracket here for decreasing the size of brush, the shortcut key, and the right side right rectangle bracket for increasing the brush's size. Here a tip for you. Always work in a different layer than the background, so that it is easy to edit without disrupting the entire file. Make a new layer as such a here, and let's try one of the brushes. If this is first time to use your pen tablet, make sure you move your hand with ease. Grab your pen with a good pressure and move it on the pad, so that it will be working as smooth as you work with a pencil on a paper. If you are working with Adobe Photoshop CC 2020, you will be seeing something as a smoothing option in the properties bar here. Let's see how it's working in different ways. If we increase, it's quite smooth now. Any stroke that I make is very smooth. And if I decrease it to say abruptly to 1%, like a no of the smooth, then you can see how the strokes, each stroke is not that smooth. So now we are quite ready to jump in our quick task first.